Variables are important part of computer programming. Variables allow you to store a value that you can use later in the program. You can therefore make program to do different things depending on the value of variable. Variables are assigned with assignment operator like this, as a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to any message hello. You can say hello. So what we are doing, we have taken three variable, named them a b c, assigned one to a, two to b, c, and hello to c. So we are taking three lines to assigning that variables. We can also do the same stuff in single line by a comma b comma c is equal to their values 1 comma 2 comma hello. So these three lines and these single lines are doing same stuff to assign values to three variables a b c. So this is how we can assign values in a single line. We can also print the value of our variables on console, such as using our print function. We have also discussed that in our last lecture, such as a tested. You can see it's giving us 1. Similarly, if we try it with c, test it, you can see it's giving us hello, as we have assigned hello to our c variable. We can also print multiple values of our variables in a single print method by comma, by separating them comma. So a b c, so what will it does, after testing we can see it is printing the values of all three variables which we have typed in that print function. So next thing is how to uh, how to concatenate our string with uh, these variable. So if we have any string, a is equal to, or you can also write value of a is equal to comma a. So what we are doing, we have any string, and here a value of a, any value which have been stored in this variable a. So comma is to join that value with our string. So if a contains any string as so we can add it, also join them by using plus operator. But a contains number, so it will it we have to give comma so to join them. If we try by using plus, it will give us a type error, can only concatenate str string not into string. We cannot concatenate our string with it using plus operator. So we have to use comma if we are joining our number with any string. So now if we run it, you can see it's giving us value of a is equal to 1. So here is our string which we have write it here, and after comma a it's giving us actual value of a which we have assigned it here. So if we uh, print the value of c is equal to c, it will work. Value of c is equal to hello, as hello is also string, and value of c, the message, is also a string. We can also concatenate by using plus operator. So this will work fine if the type of both uh, uh, string and variable are string, then we can join them using plus operator. But if the type of second variable which we are trying to join with our string is change, we have to use a comma operator to print them out. So comma works for both string and for numbers. So next thing we have some identifier naming rules. We can give names by example I can show that we can such as animal is equal to lion. We can also name it as animal is equal to lion. Here we use small a and here we use capital A. Both these variables are different from each other. Animal with small a is different one and animal with capital one is and different. We can also write as animal 1 is equal to lion, also with capital, and a digit is equal to lion. Also we can write same thing as underscore animal is equal to lion, and we can also write it as animal underscore 1 is equal to lion. So while naming the variables, uh, these are different types by which we can name our variables. So however, there are some things you can't do with your variables names while naming variables. You can't start the identifier with a number such as 1a is equal to 2. So if we try to print 1a, so if we test it, you can see it's giving us invalid syntax. So as Python does not allow to name or variables starting with digit, so it's not allowed in Python. Similarly, we cannot use Python keywords as our identifiers, such as if we use if is Python keywords, if we assign 2 to if and try to print if and check it, you can see it's giving same invalid syntax as Python doesn't allow to use keywords as variables. Next we have to learn about variables is that case sensitivity, that if we have any variable animal and we have any value same lion and another variable animal is equal to lion 1, now animal with small a and animal with capital A is separate from each other. So if we print animal and animal 1 animal uh, sorry animal with small a and animal with capital A and test it, you can see it's giving us line for small a animal and line 1 for animal starting with capital A. So in Python, variables name as with all identifier are case sensitive. Therefore, we cannot we have to make it sure that our variables need to be case sensitive. How to determine the type of our variable? As we have any variable a is equal to 1 and b is equal to um, hello. So how can we know the type of that variable? So in Python we have a type function which we type function. So type takes any variable name and returns the type of that function. And if we pass our type function to print function to print the type of that variable on screen, so if we print the type of a and test it, you can see it's giving us class int. Int stands for integer. Integers are numbers from 0 to 9. So if we print the type of b, it's giving us str stand for string. A string is combination of characters, so type of as value of b hello is combination of characters, so it's giving us type of b as str. So that's it for today. We'll come to you in next video with next Python concept.